we might have already received a message from beyond the stars. For 50 years, a single anomalous burst of radio waves has whispered a tantalizing question. Was it a cosmic greeting, a fleeting hello from an intelligence far beyond our own? This is the story of the WOW signal, a moment that forever changed our search for extraterrestrial life. It was August 15th, 1977. The setting, the Big Ear Radio Telescope at Ohio State University. This wasn't a pristine, cutting-edge facility. Big Ear was a fixed-horn reflector, built in 1961, and by the late 70s it was already something of an elder statesman in the world of radio astronomy. Its mission, however, was monumental: to listen, to patiently comb through the cosmic static, hoping to catch a flicker, a pattern, a message from distant civilizations. It was part of Project SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, a quiet, methodical effort. Jerry Amon, a volunteer at Big Ear, was the one who spotted it. His job was to review the reams of computer printouts, lines of numbers representing radio signal strength. Most days it was just noise, the familiar hum of the universe. But on this particular day, amidst the mundane data, one sequence of numbers leaped out. It was a string, 6 and next to it, scrawled in red ink, was a single emphatic word: wow. The signal itself was remarkably strong, 30 times louder than the background noise of space. It lasted for exactly 72 seconds, the precise window of time that Big Ear could observe a specific point in the sky as the Earth rotated. What made it so compelling was its frequency: 1,420, 4,556 megahertz. This is the precise frequency of the hydrogen line, the most abundant element in the universe. It's often called the waterhole frequency, a cosmic meeting place, theorized as the ideal channel for interstellar communication. A signal at this frequency, with such strength and duration, and from a source that didn't appear to be moving relative to Earth, was exactly what SETI researchers hoped to find. It was a textbook example of a potential extraterrestrial broadcast. The location of the signal was also intriguing. It came from the constellation Sagittarius, near the globular cluster M55. While M55 itself wasn't considered a likely source, the direction pointed to a region of space densely populated with stars. But here's the mystery, the profound silence that followed. Despite numerous attempts to redetect the signal, to point other telescopes in that exact spot, to listen again, the WOW signal was never heard from again. It was a one-off, a solitary whisper in the cosmic void. Over the decades, many theories have been proposed to explain its origin. Could it have been an ordinary terrestrial interference? A passing satellite, perhaps? Or even some kind of military signal? These were, and still are, primary considerations. However, the signal's specific frequency, its strength, and its precise duration, aligning with Big Ear's observational window, made terrestrial explanations difficult. Most man-made interference tends to be broadband, not concentrated on a single, narrow frequency like this. Another theory points to a natural astronomical phenomenon, perhaps a transient event, like a microlensing event or an unknown type of astrophysical burst. The universe is full of mysteries, and our understanding of cosmic radio sources is constantly evolving. Comets have also been suggested. In 2017, a study proposed that hydrogen clouds associated with undiscovered comets passing through the telescope's beam could have produced the signal. However, this theory has its own challenges, as cometary hydrogen doesn't typically emit such a strong, focused signal. The most romantic, and for many the most hopeful explanation, remains the initial one, that it was indeed an extraterrestrial signal. A beacon, a message, a momentary greeting from a distant world. If it was, why only once? Perhaps the civilization broadcasting it was short-lived, or the signal was a one-time experiment. Maybe their civilization moved or ceased to exist. Or perhaps it was just a navigational beacon, not meant for us but for their own spacecraft. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is often a story of patience, of listening to silence. Decades of scanning the skies, and the WOW signal remains the strongest, most compelling candidate for an alien transmission we've ever received. It serves as a powerful reminder of the vastness of space and the potential for life beyond Earth. It fuels our imagination, prompts scientific inquiry, and keeps us gazing upwards, wondering what else might be out there, waiting to be heard. The legacy of the WOW signal isn't just about a single burst of radio waves. It's about the profound impact it had on the human psyche, on the scientific community, and on the ongoing search for life beyond our planet. Even without a definitive answer, the signal continues to inspire. It's a tantalizing glimpse, a cosmic what-if, that reminds us that the universe is far stranger and more wonderful than we can possibly imagine. Perhaps one day we will hear another wow signal, or perhaps a more coherent, undeniable message. Until then, the 72 seconds of August 15th, 1977 remain a testament to our enduring hope and curiosity. The Big Ear telescope was ultimately dismantled in 1998, its mission concluded. But the wow signal, captured on a faded printout, continues its silent broadcast through time, a question mark hanging in the cosmic air. It's a story that compels us to keep listening, to keep searching, and to remember that even in the vast silence of space, sometimes, just sometimes, you might hear something truly extraordinary. What other cosmic mysteries make you question everything? Share your thoughts below.